Hey, what's up guys? Here's a quick little video. I needed to move the car, but I can't turn the car on because the coolant hose still needs to be fixed. So an easy way to do this would be, as most cars, you would put the key in, step on the brake, and just put into gear. But on this E90 it won't happen. So there is an easy way to fix this. So now with the key in the ignition, just take your hands and pop this open. Pop off this panel with your hands. You should be good. Now with that popped off, you can see that there's a red tab right there. Push down the red tab down there and hold on to the button here at the same time. It'll go into gear. Demonstration purposes, the red tab, push it down, press this here, step on the brake, press this, and it'll go into gear. You see when neutral, drive, reverse, and park. And you do that, for example, if you have a dead battery or anything like that, or you need to move the car but can't start the car, that's how you would do it. And afterwards, when you're done, just put it back into parking, put the panel back in, you should be good to go. That's it for this video. If it helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.